Chongqing is a municipality, and for our tour, so low baht. Who's alcohol? Sorry. Okay, guys. Keep clean the bus. Yep. So somebody else may.
Welcome to Chongqing. Welcome to Chongqing. Wow, this is nice. First stop. Welcome to China! So, I'm here in Chongqing. Look at that one. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko kung ano pangalan ng spot na to, but guys, ang ganda. Super ganda. Para siyang normal plaza lang dito. Let's try using our Alipay. 1 cappuccino. Proceed. Perfect! Got it, dad. Yes, dad, go. Wow. Okay. Pwede to. Wow, this is crazy. Grabe, no? How does it feel na nagko-coffee ka sa China? Sobrang, oh my God, Lord, thank you, Lord, for this life. Look, he's enjoying his coffee. Nagre-reklamo pa eh.
Morning coffee about China.
We're now here in Liziba Station. Ito yung sikat na train station dito sa Chongqing. Yun yung pumapasok yung tren sa loob ng building. Okay? Look at tatay. Talagang nag-e-enjoy po siya, no? Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niya, pero ang ganda ng view talaga.
You first.
Ano?
You first. Picture.
Wow, look at that. Liziba Station. Ito yung station kung saan pumapasok yung tren. Grabe, the weather is giving Philippines. Pero ang ganda All I can say, we made it! We made it! That's easy. Grabe, kung nakikita niyo kung gaano kadaming tao. Grabe, ang daming tao. Maraming photography na ino-offer dito. Look at that one. Tingin? So, current situation. Shasha, thank you. You want? Nasa maleta.
Outside is so cold. Even about there.
Actually, hindi namin alam kung nasan tayo. Pero sabi ng tour guide, ikot daw tayo ng 1 hour. So, I think that's enough time. Kita natin yung local shop dito. Ito. Ito mo ba yung building? Grabe ang tataas ng building dito. Alam mo, all I can say, ang ganda ng China. Siguro mas ma-appreciate ko to sobra, lalo na pamayang gabi. Kasi sabi nila, itong Chongqing daw, isa to sa pinakamagandang spot o puntahan dito sa China. Kasi sobrang advanced na ng lahat. Hindi yan Jollibee tayo, Mixu yan. Jollibee daw yung Mixu. You know. Jollibee! Oh, look at the building. Look at the building. Go straight, Dad. So, as you can see, nandito tayo sa parang old street dito sa China. And I'm using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to explore the building. Like, girl. Radio sparks and summer thunder. Heartbeat keeping time with the road. So, ito daw yung parang Sydney Bridge sa Australia. Tapos may tren yan. Oh, hindi din. Stop. sabihin yan? Paki-translate please. This moment, ang gusto ko na lang mangyari ay maligo ng 1 oras. Sobrang init. Naman dapat nila patunayan na pataas tong Chongqing kasi napatunayan naman na. So basically, hagdan lahat tayo. Oh my God. Kasi elevated place siya dito sa China. So, what can we do? Face our fear, girl.
If tomorrow disappears,
Long Men How Old Street.
I still find
Guys, sobrang init. So we're now here in Longminhao Old Street. As you can see, ayan yung bridge na para daw Sydney Bridge sa Australia. And wala lang. Ba't ba ako nagbibideo? Ganda lang kasi. Init. As in, hindi ko alam bakit ako nag-tour ngayon sa Asia na summertime. Nakakamiss din pala yung lamig sa Sydney, day. Oh my God. This is crazy. It's like 38 degree at the moment. Oh, that's so cool. Ang galing nun. May basura kasi dito. Tapos kinuha niya, binuksan niya yung pintuan. Tapos kinuha, oh my God. Ang cool. Lunchtime. Sobrang init. Hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi ko muna kuha.
What is this one? This one? Oh, good. How much is this one? Grabe, sobrang hirap ng araw. Try daw tayo. Ayaw? that? Cured meat, beef jerky, right? Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ano siya, ito yung isa sa sikat na old town dito sa Chongqing. Tapos, grabe yung energy nito. Parang ang layo talaga sa Pinas. Blueberry?
Yeah.
How was it? Oh. The energy is so giving. Ganda dito, tay. Maganda tong old town na to. Ganda. Favorite ko to, promise. Kaso may mga nagbibigay dito ng taters. Mas lalo tayo nauuhaw, tay. Diretso. Ano sticker? Look at them, right? Looking is that.
And even India.
Wow, not too bad. Taste lang. Ganda ah. Wah! Sink agad. Doon ako sa maraming saksakan. Pares lang. Ang ganda.
Pwede na.
Pangit naman dyan. Ganda. Chongqing.
All right, Simon. Okay.
巧克力博物馆也。
你爬都不得行啊！我看视频都不得行。
Yun ata. Pasok. Hmm?
Parang sobrang daming kanin. Yan pala yung special mo na. Kaya pala mahal ng kanin. This is the Chinese fried rice. Bacon curd.
Grabe, all I can say, ang ganda ng interior ng restaurant na to. It's very Chinese tradition. And masarap yung food. Good job, ChatGPT. Good job. So, ito yung restaurant na sinuggest ni ChatGPT. So good. And cheap lang siya.
打卡网络下载。巧克力博物馆免费参观，免费拍照打卡，网络下载。免费拍照打卡，网络下载。
Nice, ang galing.
What's your ma? You can try. It's flower tea.
Floral tea?
Yeah, flower tea.
Okay. Finally found it.